everyone, this is Shami. Welcome to my channel. This is my cat Simba. He decided to sit here, so I'm not disturbing him, but today we are discussing how to take notes. In our channel, we already have discussed how to take notes in quadrant method, but we have not discussed the other way. So today we are discussing how to take notes in Cornell method. So many people are busy and this note taking process is basically for busy people. Okay, there are so many people who takes note, they write down every single thing and nobody has that much of time to read everything when they are like working on something. So we are taking notes in a smarter way. So for Cornell method, you need to take a piece of paper, and in a piece of paper you have to have 4 blocks. So a block on the top called title and a block on the bottom called summary. Here in the middle of the section you have to take one more slash, and then you make a block for keywords or questions, whatever questions you have during the meeting, and the other block is basically for the main discussion or the discussion or main topics. So maybe we are talking about a project that is going on for the whole year, and that's a big project. We have many things to discuss, but you need to keep in mind that you need to focus only on this meeting, not the entire project. So maybe we are discussing on some problems on that project. Maybe we are troubleshooting some on the project on a month in December. So in the title, write down December troubleshooting on that project and write down the date where you have the meeting. Also you can put your location where you want to have that meeting. It can be online, it can be on Zoom or WebEx or any other platform, or it can be physical meeting. Whatever the location is, write it down there. Also in the title, on the bottom of the title, you can write down the attendee, whatever attendee have joined the meeting. It is crucial sometimes because you need to recall who have attended the meeting and who said what. So in the keywords, the questions, basically write down whatever you're discussing. If you have any questions during the meeting, so you have write down all the questions and make sure you ask those questions during the meeting and you get your answers. So the answers and whatever you have discussed throughout the meeting, you have write down in keywords, not really the entire line, but keywords in the other portion of the paper. After the meeting, when you are finishing the meeting, write some summary on the bottom. So maybe you have discussed for 2 hours, but of course you did not have came to a decision for the whole 2 hours. You came to a decision at the end of the meeting. So whenever you are making a decision, write down your decision in the summary box. So you know what, that you know who has done what and who has taken what responsibility. Maybe you have taken some responsibility, write it down there. Maybe your colleague have taken some responsibility, you also write it down there. And in the key thoughts and the main notes, you also can write abbreviations of some things. Maybe you call something and you can write down there, so you understand whatever you have written in there, because when you are discussing something you don't have the time to write down every single thing in there. But in my opinion, if you ask me, I prefer the quadrant method, but I thought there are a lot of people who may not like quadrant method, and that way they may like this Cornell method. So let me know in the comment box below whatever method you like. We're gonna add the quadrant method in the description box below. So yes, so there are 4 blocks and it's very easy: title, attendees, then your location and the date, and keywords, questions, main notes, key thoughts and summary. There you go. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you soon.